So a lot of this will be cleared up because we'll enroll, pop-up messages say, we will be posting this to your calendar momentarily in your local time zone. You know, please refer to the date to see what time it's posted for. So in the future it will get better. But yes, this is the confusion and this is what we're left with. Yeah, as long as we're okay. So Anita, are you okay? Because it takes me a long time to populate your pages. Okay, I'm going to X out. Yeah, no, you should. Unless you wanted to ask me another. Unless you wanted me to. Okay,